All right, gang, Jason here. One more video of finds from St. Louis, and that is the parts, I suppose we'll call it. So first up, Farm Factor 3D. Jeff Hintz over at Farm Factor 3D makes some awesome stuff, and stuff I use a lot of. First up, I'm just gonna move my camera a little bit here. First up, got a 4-spoke steering column and throttle. You can see this is going to go on some international tractors. I've used so many of these Elwood kits. I love them. It's a front wheel assist kit. Looks awesome on the 66, 68s, '06, pretty much any old school international you can think of. It's a pretty sweet kit for those. Also, more steering wheels. Obviously, we've got a lot of internationals in the works here. Decided to try one of his 3-point kits, so we'll see how that does. I find 3-point hitches very frustrating to assemble and put together, so we'll see if Jeff's is maybe slightly less so. And then there's another one of those right there. And then I did grab some K&M steps from him as well. These are the 30-degree left-handed steps. It comes with the handrail and all that, so those are always cool. Then kind of the big project, I guess. Got myself a Unisystem. I love these. Um, Always heard stories from my dad back when they had one of these on on Columbia Seed Company, and he just remembers the Unisystem. So grab a little corn head here to go with it, and we'll just see what we can come up with. See if we can make one of those work for us. And then got some cupolas. These are going to go on top of, I believe, the old barn. So we'll rust those up, make them look cool, and didn't know Jeff had these kits until the St. Louis show. So really cool, a lot of fun. Those will really dress up some buildings, so that's really neat. Then, well, you can't leave a show without tires, can you? Been kind of rotating shows. Like at St. Louis, I'll get a bunch of tires from Adam, and like at Dubuque National, I'll get a bunch of tires from Chuck. That way, it's not a giant hit to the wallet every time. This time, though, let's just show you what we got here from Mini Toy Truck and Tractor. Adam Sunken. Just knock some stuff over. I'm getting out my paper so I can tell you the exact sizes. I absolutely love these brand new implement tires that he's done. I did a video when he first sent me a test pair of these, and these things are fantastic. This is a 14916. So mainly an implement tire, although I have used these on a couple muscle tractors, if you will, and I think they look really sweet. So that's pretty cool, I think. All right, what do we got here? This is going to be our, I believe, 700 series tire right there. I use those a lot on some classic four-wheel drives, like particularly 80s and 90s four-wheel drives, New Hollands, Fords. Even John Deere of that era look fantastic with those tires, and I love them so much I got a second bag of those. And then we got an 850 6038 Trelleborg. These always look great. Lots of uses for those. Again, kind of the same era of tire, I feel like. Although these are getting big enough where they do look good on the modern four-wheel drives as well. And then particularly, if I'm looking for a modern four-wheel drive tire from Adam, I'm going to go with the 800 series. So this is an 870 R38. And I just think this is one of the best tires on the market today. Just looks awesome. You can just see everything looks good. Treads look good. Nice, kind of nice detail. Just fits really nicely. And like 38-inch tire wheel on that. And then of course you got the big 70. And then the 800 is a nice width there. So I don't know. I'm a really big fan of those. And I've used those on lots and lots of tractors over the years. And I certainly will continue to do so. If you're wondering, I use my own rims. I kind of make my own rims. Used to make them out of brass, but now with 3D printing, just 3D print our own rims now. It's a lot easier. But that's why I don't buy rims with Adams tires. Now, certainly, if you need rims, Adams got them. They're nice. They're good, especially if you're just kind of getting into custom. You might as well go that route. Kind of makes your life easier. I would hit them with a little bit of paint just to kind of shine them up, make them look metal versus the injected mold plastic that they're made out of. But they are a nice rim. But like I said, I kind of forego those because I really just need the tire. I'm going to use my own rim. So anyway, guys, kind of a quickie, kind of a short video there. Hope you liked it. That's kind of the last of stuff I brought home from St. Louis. Hopefully not too long, I'll show you some of the results of these projects that I brought home from St. Louis. Anyway, guys, have yourselves an awesome day. Happy tractor running.